painful feeling caused by a sense of guilt is shame. Shame is an emotion that leaves you feeling lame. Humiliation in childhood is the reason for my shame. Always it appears to be a never-ending game. Overcoming shame would be worthwhile to proclaim, a chance to replace the faded picture and the frame. A painful feeling caused by a sense of guilt is shame. Shame is an emotion that leaves you feeling lame. Trouble and guilt leave me filled up with blame. Self-esteem is now what I'd like to reclaim. Very soon my shame will receive a brand new name. Pride from self-trust will be the focus of my aim. A painful feeling caused by a sense of guilt is shame. Shame is an emotion that leaves you feeling lame. Everything changes and nothing stays the same. Now is the perfect moment to rid myself of shame. If I don't succeed, there'll be no one else to blame. I refuse to play in the shame and blame game.